Hi everybody, this is Eddie James. I'm at the new Innovation Lab here at Manheim Atlanta, and this is a place where we research our clients and we find out how they use mobile apps, how they use websites, how they use their computer, how they scan VIN numbers. And this is me with I made a little instrument here out of a box and some rubber bands, and I'm gonna sing a little ditty, and we're gonna make it up on the fly. Hey everybody, welcome to the CoxAutomotive Innovation Lab. Hey everybody, come down and see how we're researching clients. Come and visit us, everyone. Come and tell us how you use your phones and computers and iPads and other stuff. We want to hear how you do it, we want to see how you do it, and we want to learn from you. So, hey everybody, come and visit us at the Cox Automotive Innovation Lab at Manheim, Atlanta. Thank you. How do I stop this thing? Oh, there it is.